Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our Photos app, and now we have to choose the photo that we want to hide. For example, this one. Now right here we have to click on in the right bottom corner this more icon. And here we have to choose Set as Private. As you can see, we have to turn on Private Save, so we have to head to Settings. And now we have to set a password for our Private Save. Here we have security questions for recover information. And that's it. So now we can set our photo as private. And it's right here. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!